guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we do an at-home facial. I definitely think it's important to take time to take care of your skin. If you take care of her, she takes care of you. So I do this once a week at home and then go see a professional maybe once a month or once in 2 months, depending on what the wallet feels like. So to start off, I'm taking my makeup off with the Miniso wipes. I got this from the Miniso store at Qpharm, and they have hyaluronic acid, therefore they're very hydrating and they just hydrate your skin as you take off your makeup, which is a really good thing. And afterwards, I'm going in with my simple micellar water. I go in with micellar water before cleansing just to double cleanse. This makes sure all the makeup is out and my skin is a bit better, you know what I mean? To cleanse, I'm using my favorite, the Neutrogena Hydroboost. I love it. It has hyaluronic acid as well, therefore it hydrates your skin, and this cleanser is so gentle, but it takes off all the makeup. I know, it's amazing. And just to give that extra boost to my cleanse, I go in with this brush. I got it from AliExpress. I don't use it every day because I do feel it's a bit much for everyday use, but once in a while, once a week, you'll be fine. And once I rinse that off, to dry off my face, I use a kitchen towel, and I'm not a fan of using towels like regular towels on my face, but if that's what you prefer, then definitely go for it. Just make sure that it's clean, that way you're not spreading around dirt on your face. And after rinsing and drying that off, I'm taking my cucumber and avocado facial scrub. This is from Beauty Formulas. I've been using it for over a year and I love it so much. It just gets rid of all the dead skin cells without being too much on your skin, and I absolutely love it. And as I scrub my face, I make sure to massage my face a bit just to make, I got it in my eye, just to make sure I'm really boosting circulation and pumping the blood to my face. That way my skin looks fresh and plump after my facial. Once I rinse that off and dry it, my skin feels so soft, like a baby's bum. I kid you not. It feels amazing. Once that's done, it's time to steam. I just bring a kettle to boil, pour the water into a glass bowl, set my timer for 5 minutes, and just steam my face. Steaming is so beneficial for your skin. It opens your pores, gets rid of all that clogged dirt, and it opens your pores ready for your mask. And today for my mask, I'm using the Papaya Mud Mask. I got this from the pharmacy at Garden City. I think it's a Qpharm. I'm not even sure, but I'll check. I got it for about 900 shillings, and this mask is really good. Like, you can feel it literally pulling out the dirt from your skin, and it also brightens my skin, which is quite nice. And obviously after applying that on, I look weird, and that amuses me. I think I'm still a child inside. I let this dry for 5 minutes, actually 10 to 15 minutes, not 5. And once it's dry, after I've wasted time watching Netflix, being on YouTube, I rinse it off, obviously. And once I've dried my face, it's now time to moisturize. You definitely want to moisturize after all that because your skin might be feeling a little bit dry. And for my moisturizer, I'm using the Neutrogena Deep Moisture Night Cream. I did this at night, hence why I'm using the night cream. And I love Neutrogena products. Some of them, they've done really well with them. And as I massage that in, I massage my face just to make sure I'm getting the blood pumping and going. It just feels good, trust me, after your facial. And once you're done with that, you're done with your facial. I really hope you guys try this at home. It's so beneficial to have a facial every once a week, and I hope you try it. Anyway, enough blabbering. See you in my next video. Bye.